How to edit messages on Viber. If any day you send a wrong message on Viber and you want to edit it but do not know how to edit the messages on Viber, then do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to tap on the Viber application on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on the very person to whom you have sent a wrong message to. After tapping on the wrong message or the person you have sent the wrong message to, you need to tap on the very option or the very message that was wrong. You have to tap on the very message like this and you can see the option of edit there. You have to tap on the option of edit then, and after you tap on the option of edit, now you can just edit the message. For example, I send the message Joker here, I can tap the option as nice message. You can also go to the next option. For example, I have written here Puttu here, you can also change it to nice person or any of the thing you wanted to write here. You can also change the other message by just tapping on that and again going to the option of edit, and you can write any of the thing like this, and this way you can edit your messages on the very kind of Viber application if any day you have sent a wrong message to any of the person on Viber, and this way you can be saved from sending wrong messages, or even you have sent a wrong message, you can edit it on time by all of the process followed. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like our video and if you thought our video was very meaningful for you, then do not forget to subscribe our channel and like our video.